Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel IT for You. Today we are going to discuss how to create an attractive looking marketing poster design by using Adobe Photoshop. For this, we first need to go to Adobe Photoshop. Here we have a white background, and I am going to create an attractive poster design here. For this, we first need to select the rectangle tool. Now follow the steps and create some rectangles in a certain pattern. I am creating some attractive pattern design. You can also try some more patterns other than this one. You can easily copy these rectangles by pressing Alt plus mouse click and drag it beside the previous rectangle. And repeat this process 2 or more times in different angle. Now select these rectangles and create a copy of this group of rectangles by pressing Alt plus mouse click and drag it beside the previous group. Here we go, we have created a pattern here. Now we are going to select all the rectangles and now resize and reposition it on certain angle to look attractive. Here we go, now click Ctrl plus E to merge all the layers of rectangles. Now select Pen tool and follow the steps to draw a background design. You can also select some different design other than this. Now select its color. Here we need to select some decent and eye-catching colors. Now select the layer of rectangle and readjust according to the angle of background design by pressing Ctrl plus T. Here we go, now select the background design layer and add some gradient on it to look attractive. Here you can set angle and adjust the color of gradient. I have adjusted the scale here. Here we go. Now drag the image into your artwork. Resize it according to the size of pattern you have created. Here we go, now right-click on the layer of image and choose Create Clipping Mask. Before creating a clipping mask, make sure that image must be on top of the pattern on which you have to clip the image. Now adjust the position of image according to the design of pattern. Here we go, now select rectangle layer and add drop shadow on it to look more attractive. Adjust the parameters of drop shadow according to your requirement. Here we go. Now add some attractive text on the poster. Now we are going to make the poster more attractive by adding gradient map on the image layer. Select the image layer, go to the Create New Fill, and choose Gradient Map. Now follow the steps to adjust the color of gradient. Here we go, now select the Gradient Map layer, right-click on it. And choose Create Clipping Mask. Here we go, now adjust its opacity according to your requirement to look attractive and eye-catching. Now select the rectangle layer and resize it by pressing Ctrl plus T. And now select image layer, press Ctrl plus T and resize it according to the size of pattern. Here we go, your attractive looking marketing poster design has now been created. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. For more related videos comment us on comment box. And must subscribe the channel. Have a nice day.